name is Charles.
My name is Oluwapelumi.
Well, today I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling fulfilled. It has been the best 3 weeks of training.
I feel great. I feel happy about it because it's like a lot of experience gained, and having to know that I graduate, like I'll get my certificate for this, something to show off.
I was motivated to join because we've had the right facility or the right training program which would really equip me in this new field which I have chosen to undergo.
When my friend told me about this, she mentioned food and beverages. I mean, I love to cook. I love to be out there serving customers, making them smile. And when I heard about it, I was like, "Whoa, this is my opportunity to be out there and showcase this my passion."
With this training, I really had to get first-hand experience, understand how the food and beverage industry works, not just about cooking the food, but about managing the business, how to run the business, the different aspects and different branches of the business.
A lot of things I've learned, like putting my emotion aside to solve problem solving skills, and a lot of things I've learned here. I really appreciate it. It's going to help me a lot in the future.
Big appreciation to the Wave Academy and the Wave team. They really be great, they really be wonderful. They helped me, put me in line to achieve my goal, and yeah, they started me on the right path, and I'm sure I'm going to be on the right path.